tried to intervene in the issue between her and the assembly. That's very true. However, there was no one time, I want to put the record straight, there was no one time the Deputy Speaker of this House said that we cannot go to Meru or have a reconciliation with anybody. We did meet, a team went there, led by the Vice Chair of the Committee of Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations. They met Her Excellency the Governor. They also talked to the Speaker of the Assembly and the Assembly members. However,
clarification, Senator, because your time is running.
Okay.
The mic will go off.
Yeah, I just want to put the record. But we did not succeed because the Assembly that time was going to retreat. And as I said, that is actually why we could not be able to meet the two of them. However, we tried again, and the Deputy Governor, when we were going there, there was an issue in Meru. We could not go back again. I want to put that record straight, Your Excellency. Your
Senator Omtata.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. A lot turns on this issue because some of us have been wondering why there has been no intervention in these matters of Meru by the Senate before we come to be treated to this theater of the absurd. And I would like confirmation from maybe the Secretariat whether it is true or not that the Meru governor sought the intervention of the committee.
You should seek clarification from the witness, not from the Secretariat.
But they say they wrote to this House. The witness has alleged it. The only person who can defend is the Secretariat.
No, the Secretariat is not on trial.
It's not, but now...
Senator Omtata, if we don't have any clarification that you're seeking from the governor.
Okay.
Please.
The governor, to whom did you address the letter that sought the intervention of this House in the Committee of Devolution in the affairs of Meru?
Thank you, Speaker. I wrote to the Committee of Devolution, which is led by the chairperson, Senator Abbas, and the senator who has just spoken before Mtata. I've agreed that indeed I tried to call them to Meru so that they can intervene.
Very well. Senator Oroba.
I have two clarifications. You have alleged that one of the interference that you have, the political interference, is by the Deputy Speaker, Senator Kathuri. Is this the only person? Because I would like to know if you're saying that this impeachment is being pushed by Senator Kathuri, or who are the other politicians behind it. I would also want to know if in those politicians there's any woman who is also trying to get impeached. My other clarification is the issue of the hospital. The CEC, do you have a CEC of health? And if you have a CEC of health, has the county, have the MCAs tried to impeach the CEC, because there is an actual clause in the Constitution for removal of a CEC, because the duty of care of the Ministry of Health actually falls under the CEC, yet they are jumping the CEC and going straight to the governor to impeach. I would like that clarification.
Thank you, Senator. Indeed, I have CEC held. The County Assembly of Meru has never tried to impeach the CEC held. That is the position. About the political interference in Meru, there are so many other people who believe that they should not be led by a woman, and that's why you see them gathering together and then trying to politicize the issue of a young family to bring me down. There's a tradition in Meru that they should not be led by a woman. I want to say categorically that the chair of the interference, or the person who interferes most, is the Deputy Speaker of this House. The rest, I don't see if it's good for me to mention them in absentia.
Senator Olekina. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I just need to seek some clarification from the Governor. Madam Governor, in your bundle of submissions, and I'd asked this question earlier on, there seems to be a lot of letters back and forth from your office to the Assembly seeking for particular members to be confirmed in particular boards. Can you tell us whether those letters, as alleged, are fake, are forgery, or those letters are indeed letters that you've sent to the Assembly and were either ignored by the Assembly or they were responded to? And finally, can you just tell us whether there is any form of cooperation, harmony between you and the Assembly of Meru? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Governor.
Thank you, Senator. Thank you, Speaker. Indeed, I've tried to engage the County Assembly of Meru by giving the names for the board, but unfortunately, they have been ignored throughout.
Senator